Hey, what is up guys? John from Magic Tech Review, and today I got a little bit of news from the LG Aristo 2. It's going to be very similar in looking to this phone, but this one is actually the LG K20 Plus. So let's go ahead and just talk about the specs. They're kind of going to be the same-ish, so don't get too excited guys. So let's go ahead and get right into the video. Leave a like on the video if you enjoy my content. Subscribe to become part of the Magic Tech Review family. Comment down below if you like these specs, if you like what MetroPCS is doing, or is it kind of the same? Alrighty guys, so here we go with the specs. So the LG Aristo 2, or Aristo, however you guys want to say it. It's going to be the same 5-inch display with 720p in there, so it's going to be HD, not full HD. Oh, I would like to give a big shout out to Varieties Tech. Actually, this is where I'm getting this information from. So if you have not subscribed to Varieties Tech, go do so now. Dude is all over MetroPCS. I'm just a little, I'm just a small little guy trying to cover some MetroPCS stuff on my channel as well as Cricket. So, okay, so this phone is going to have 2 GB of RAM. It's going to have 16 GB of storage. It's going to have 2,410 milliamp battery, so that's going to be kind of smallish. And guys, this phone is very similar to the LG Fortune as well. So I don't know what the real big difference is going to be. It's going to have Android 7.1.2 Nougat. I don't know if that's the differentiating factor here. It is going to have a 1.4 Qualcomm quad-core processor. It's going to have the Snapdragon 425. This is probably going to be the free phone, guys, at MetroPCS once again. The LG Aristo was before, so hopefully, you know what I'm saying. I mean, I don't know, guys. I'd like to get my hands on it at the LG Aristo 2, so I'm going to try to see what I can do, see if I can actually go to MetroPCS and pick up this phone, or see if, Mill Hustles or one of the other MTR ninjas can get a hold of this phone. So I'll try to see what I can do. I don't want to judge it too harshly now, but it does seem like it's going to be kind of the same-ish type phone. So what do you guys think in the comments below? Let me know what you think about that. You're going to have a 13 megapixel camera on the back, a 5 megapixel camera on the front. You are going to have face recognition to unlock. Don't really know why they're doing that. It has no fingerprint sensor on there, so I guess they're just kind of throwing that camera trick in there to, compensate. Don't know why they're even pulling that for real. So the big differentiating, I guess, is going to be 2 GB of RAM versus the 1.5 on the previous version. And yeah, so I don't know, guys. I don't know what to think. I mean, yeah, whatever. I mean, 5-inch display, 2 gigs of RAM, smallish type of battery. I don't know if it's going to hold up. You know what I'm saying? So I guess time will tell. Time will tell. Yeah. Anyways, that was a review of those specs on the LG Aristo 2. Hopefully you liked the video. Leave that like as always, guys, and I will see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Peace out.